Well, it's that time of year. I left some items out a little longer than I wanted to, but I left them out as long as I could. I took out some cabbage the other day, or cauliflower the other day, and I have some broccoli out here, and some cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, and some collard greens. Those guys also in my spinach. I'm going to leave those out, except for my broccoli. And these broccoli heads aren't really anywhere near ready. But I know what happened last year when it got down to 28 degrees for a couple days and basically stayed below freezing for 2 straight days. My collards did okay. My broccoli was destroyed. My cauliflower never recovered. So, fortunately, I did have a decent harvest of cauliflower, and what's left is gone. It's dead, dying. So, I'm going to go and harvest the rest of my cauliflower now, or the rest of my broccoli now. I'm going to cover up my cabbage, which is still developing. I think it's Bear is saying hi to somebody. So, so as I was trying to say, my I'm gonna leave my cabbage out, but I'm gonna cover it up. But I'm gonna harvest my broccoli. That's a decent sized head, and I do still have a few others. They aren't quite big enough, but I'm gonna harvest them because I don't want to lose them. And well, hey, that's the name of the game. It's getting down to 15 degrees tonight, so yeah, I'm gonna take out what I can take out and leave what I think will survive, and start to get ready for the spring summer garden. Yeah, I know. It's going to be 15 degrees, and I'm thinking about my spring summer garden. I got to stratify what seeds I have and let them get some cold weather under their belt so they're ready to be planted in the next week or so. So let's do this. It is cold. One reason I moved from the north is because I hate cold weather. I really do. I've been sick for about a week. Maybe longer than that. So I really haven't been coming out here and taking care of the garden. Not that there's much to do. That's a pretty one. That was a good sized head. But the other ones, but they're edible, so they're coming with. I do have a few cauliflower out here. Looks like they're going to have to come into. And I know this cauliflower, or some of these cabbage, or I'm sorry, I know some of these broccoli heads aren't big at all, but I'm taking them. Take them. Yes, I'm even taking the little tiny broccoli head. Hey, no need to waste food where you got it. The midst of hate cold weather. Yeah. So now you can join me. Watch me suffer out here. Yeah, no, I should have put on some gloves. I do have on layers. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 layers. That's it for the broccoli. I know I'm breathing hard. Like I said, I've been sick. This is the first full video I've done in a while. I've done a couple shorts. And I do have 3 videos that I've started. Here's not a little baby. Yes, like I said, I have about 3 videos that I've started. And let me give a quick shout out to BrokeFarmer, because I won a cup on his 8K or 8,000 sub celebration. A coffee cup. I want to give a shout out to Crafty Leo, who designed or put his logo on the cup and gave it out to me. And I was working on that video about a week ago, right when I got sick. Never finished the video, but I am going to finish it. But I want to take some time to send a shout out to him for the cup, and to shout out to her for designing it and sending it out to me. Thank you very much. That's BrokeFarmer, one word. He's so broke he can't afford the space between the 2 words. And Crafty Leo, love the cup. Thank you very much. But I got things to do now, so because I'm starting to cry from the cold. And I grew up in Chicago. I hated the weather then. I hated it now, but I can still tolerate it. I just don't like to tolerate it. So, what is left is decent. Couple of my smaller cauliflowers. Got some damage. Okay, I think I've harvested everything that I'm going to harvest. Oh, got a small broccoli head here. So I'm going to harvest. Yep. I think I'm done. Except for well, next up, I have to go inside, warm up some, come back out and cover up whatever I'm going to cover up. Oh hell, I'm just going to cover it up because I don't want to come back out. Nope. Excuse me. This is what I harvested. Excuse me. Hard to smile. So I'll focus on the food. That rock cauliflower there doesn't look too good. I'll cut around it, save what I can. If not, I'll throw it out. The broccoli looks good. Some tiny pieces. I'm happy with that. And maybe if I can get some, maybe if the pets will survive well enough, I'll be able to harvest some leaves later or some smaller buds. But for right now, I completely missed this one. I completely missed this one. It's not huge, but still. Look at that. That's a good size. Good enough. I would have been mad at myself. I left that one out here. Came out, found it days later. Destroyed. So this is my normal routine. Most of it. Yes, the dogs do come in case you're concerned about that. They have a bedroom and a basement. They'll be nice and cozy. And of course, the second I open the door to let them back out, they'll be more than happy to run back out here and play. So I take care of my babies. So they take care of me in the yard. One nice thing about having dogs, they keep people out your yard. Have you ever taught this to discourage people from entering? And with having dogs, definitely discourages people. Having dogs discourages people. Thank you, guys. Anyway, I'm done. And I'll be back sometime soon and let you know what survived and what didn't. Now let's get out from out here. I always say let's get out there and get a little dirty. Hell, let's get inside and get a little warm. Hey guys. Prince wants some camera time. He's ready for his close-up. Okay.